everybody, this is me Vinu Venkatesh on behalf of Sai Education for Competitive Examinations. Today we're going to start a new topic, the number system. Very simple but very important, so let's get started. Alright, so number system. Let us start with the first topic, units, digits. So in the number system we have the units, digits, the tens, thousands and tens, hundreds and thousands. So units, digits means the first number on the extreme right. Tens digit is the one before it. Hundreds is the one before it, then thousands, then 10,000s, then 100,000s and so on. Okay. So find the place value of 6 in 1967. Place value means we have to first identify which digit is 6. 6 is the tens digit or in the tens place. So the place value of 6 is 6 into 1060. Suppose if they had asked for place value of 7, it would be 7 which is in the units digit or in the ones digit or ones place or units place. The place value of 7 would be 7 into 1 which is 7. What is the place value of 9? 9 is in the hundreds place. So the place value of 9 would be 9 into 100, 900. Place value of 1 would be 1 into 1000 because it is in the thousands place. And therefore the place value would be 1 into 1000 which is 1000. That is the meaning of place value and the different places. Okay. Find the, okay, now when we are given, find the units digit of 28 into 34. The easy way, the shortcut way is to simply multiply the units digits of both numbers. Okay, and then take the units digit of the quotient or the product. Sorry, not quotient, product. So units digit is 8 here and 4. So 8 into 4 is 32 and the units digit of this product is 2. So the units digit of this entire multiplication is 2. If you want to check, please multiply and find the product and see whether the units digit is 2. It will be correct. Number 3 is the same as number 2. Please apply what we've learned in 2 into 3. So I'm not doing it. Okay. Number 4. Now these are important types of questions. Whenever you're given this question, find the units digit of 773 raised to a power. In this case it is 95. Okay. See, when you take tables like this, like 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 square is 4 and so on, they're given an explanation. Some numbers repeat in every steps. That is, in the units digit, 2 comes in the when it is raised to 5. 3 raised to 5, there is 3 in the units place. 7 raised to 5, there is 7 in the units place. So sometimes these numbers keep repeating in each step. Some repeat in every second step, some repeat in every fourth steps. But all the numbers repeat in the fourth step. Actually, this is raised to 5, but they are calling it the fourth step. So it's called the universal power repetition. Alright. So in this case, what we have to do is, we have to divide this exponent 95 divided by 4. If you get a remainder, right, what you have to do is, you take the units digit of this main number in the question and raise it to the power of the remainder. In this case, it is 3. So 3 raised to this remainder, which is 3, which will give you actually 27. The answer is 27, but you will take the units digit of that number. That is 7, and that will be your final answer. This is a shortcut way of doing this. The other way is to solve it completely, which will take you time. So this is a shortcut. You should know this. Okay. Similarly, for example, find the units digit of 13 raised to 64. Okay. First, what do you do? Take the exponent divided by 4. Okay. The remainder is 0. The answer is actually 64 divided by 4. The quotient is 16, giving a remainder of 0. So when the 0 is the remainder, what you have to do is, we have to use the units digit raised to 4. Remember, when there is a remainder, we take the units digit raised to that remainder. But when the remainder is 0, we take the units digit raised to 4. Find the answer, it is 81. And then take the units digit of this product, and that will be your answer to this question, same as what we did. So number 5 is the same. Please use the same method. Number 6 we will do. Number 7 is also same. So number 6 is again very simple. So we are asked to find units digit of 34 raised to 18, which is again raised to 22. So this can be written as 34 raised to 18 into 34 raised to 22. That is the basic mathematics principle. So again we take the power divided by 4, which gives us a remainder of 2. 22 also divided by 4, which also gives a remainder of 2. Then we take the units digit. So 4 raised to 2 into 4 raised to 2, which is 16 into 16. So wait a minute. Then you take the units digit of this, 6 into 6, which is 36, and this, the units digit of this product is 6. That will be the answer to your question. Or you can simply take 16 into 16, which is 256, and then take the units digit of 256, which is 6. But this is a shortcut. When you get big numbers here, simply take the units digit and multiply them, get the answer, and then take the units digit of that answer to be the answer to your question. Okay, so number 7 is similar, please do it. Now let's move on to the next topic, last 2 digits. Find the last 2 digits of the following: 21 raised to 236. So let us follow our principle. So first is 386, the power divided by 4. Okay, we get the quotient as 99, remainder is 0. So when the remainder is 0, what do we have to do? We have to take the units digit raised to 4. So 1 raised to 4 is simply 1. Therefore the last digit is 1. But we have to find the last 2 digits, that is the tens place and the units place. We have found units place, now tens place. Now the 10th figure, or that is the tens place of the given number, is 2. 2 is in the tens place. So we have to take 2 multiplied by the units digit of the exponent, which is 6. So 2 into 6 is 21. So the answer is 1, 2, that is 12, and 1 here. It is 1, 2, 1. Therefore the last 2 digits are 2 and 1. Right? If you want, you can check it using a calculator. You will get this answer. You can use B and C for practice. It's the same principle. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, they're all the same. 14 is also the same, but they have given you a note. 24 is a special number because its exponents is an even number. The result of the last 2 digits will be 76, and if the exponent is an odd number, the last 2 digits will be 24. This is for 24, number 24. Just keep it in mind. Same way, 15, I'm not doing it. Please read this note. If the last figure is 4, then we have to take 2 into 2. If the last figure is 8, then we have to take 2 into 2 into 2. If 5 is in single digits, whatever be the power, result of the last figure will be 5. Will be 25. Okay, remember that. The figure before 5 is an odd number, then the result of the last 2 digits will be 75. If the number before the figure 5 is an even number, the last 2 digits will be 75. But 15 raised to 5 raised to 1 is an exception, because here the last 2 digits are 15, 1 and 5, not 75. If the last figure is 0, the last 2 digits of the result will be 0, 0. Keep this in mind. So if the last figure of any number is 4, then you have to follow this principle. If the last figure is 5, then whatever be the power, then the result of the last figure will be, alright, so the last figure will be 25. If the figure before 5 is an odd number, then the result of the last 2 digits will be 25. If the number before 5 is an even number, then the last 2 digits will be 75. Except in the case of 15. 15 raised to 1 is 15. So the number before 5 is 1, which is an odd number. So as per this rule, it should be 25, but it is not. It is simply 15. So this is an exception. Okay. Also 35 raised to 1 will be 35, right? Alright, then if the last figure is 0, then the last 2 digits of the result will be 00, 00. For this you will have to do some examples and find out. But keep these rules in mind whenever you're solving questions. Keep these rules in mind whenever you're doing all these previous questions. Do accordingly. Number 17. If the difference between a number and 1/5 of it is 24, then what is the number? Let us assume that the number is x. Okay, so x minus 1/5 of x, that is x by 5, is 24. When you solve, you will get x is equal to 30. Very simple, right? You can do that. Number 18. 5 tables and 6 chairs cost 2,500 rupees. 3 tables and 2 chairs cost rupees 1,300. What is the cost of 1 table and 1 chair together? So let number of tables be t, number of chairs c. So 5t plus 6c is equal to 2,500, and 3t plus 2c is equal to 1,300. So we have two simultaneous equations which we have studied before. Solve them, find t or c, t and c, and then get the cost of 1 table and 1 chair. Your answer should be 475. Okay, very simple. We have done similar questions before. Number 19 is very simple. Do it yourself. 2/3 of half of a number is 18. What is 1/3 of that number? Let that number be x. So 2/3 of half of x is 18. Solve for x, then find 1/3 of x as given here. It should be 18. Number 20 is also very simple. You should do it yourself. Number 21 is also very simple. I want you to do it by yourself. So that's it for part 1 of this lecture. See you for the next lecture. Until then, keep practicing. Stay in touch. Put your comments in the comment box, and all the best.